Hello everyone, we are from Group 3 and here we would like to present about technology's impact on language teaching. Before that, allow us to introduce ourselves and starting with me, my name is Dwi Irmin Mayangsari and the last three digits of my number are 014.
And my name is Isha Sholichah, and my last three digits of number is 011.
Okay, we have four material that we will to discuss. First is definition and role of technology in education, the examples, the advantages and potential drawbacks, and the last one is technologies have different advantages and challenges. Okay, let's start to the first material. I will deliver about definition of technology in education. Educational technology has a broader meaning because educational technology is a combination of human elements, machines, ideas, procedures, and management. Technology in education is the application of scientific knowledge to learning, which results in learning objectives being achieved effectively and efficiently, which is not only limited to tools and goods or hardware, but also software and brainware. So, the combination of computer hardware and software with educational theory facilitates the learning of students. Furthermore, educational technology also helps students learn through various mediums such as computer-based training, online learning, and other mobile technologies. The Association for Educational Communications and Technology has defined technology in education as study and ethical practice of facilitating learning and improving performance by creating, using, and managing appropriate technological processes and resources. Okay, move to the next material is about role. The role of technology in English language learning can enhance student motivation, enable more active speaking skills development, and support independent learning. Additionally, technology facilitates more efficient measurement and monitoring of students' progress. Therefore, it is evident that many educators and educational researchers have shown a strong interest in exploring the effect of technology-based teaching methods on speaking skills, on in other skills in English language learning. Educational technology has proven to be a way of enhancing the potential of the industry. By the power of technology, educational technology has enabled the automation of various tasks, allowing teachers to facilitate the classroom effectively. Through careful analysis of the role of technology in the education sector, better outcomes can be expected from individual students' performances, thereby uplifting the performance of the classroom as a whole. Okay, and the next material about the examples. There are 6 examples in here. The first one is online language learning platforms. The examples about that, such as Duolingo, Babbel, and others. These platforms often use gamification, artificial intelligence, and machine learning to personalize learning paths based on individual progress and performance. The second examples, language learning apps. These apps like Memrise, HelloTalk, and Tandem facilitate language exchange and practice with native speakers. These apps often use multimedia elements such as audio, video, and interactive exercises to enhance the learning process. The third one is online communication tools, like video conferencing tools like Zoom, Teams, and Skype have been instrumental in language education. Collaborative platforms and communication tools facilitate language exchange and group discussion, improving speaking and listening our skills. The fourth example is language learning websites and resources. Website and online resources such as BBC Languages, Fluent U, and various educational YouTube channels. The website gives learners access to authentic materials, videos, and interactive exercises such as online dictionaries and translation tools, which assist learners in understanding and practicing vocabulary and context. Okay, the next examples is digital textbooks and ebooks. Digital textbooks and ebooks offer multimedia content, interactive exercises, and embed audio to engage learners. These resources often provide instant feedback, pronunciation guides, and multimedia elements to suit different learning styles. The last example is language learning management systems or LMS. LMS platforms such as Moodle or Canvas support language instructors in managing course materials, assignments, and assessments online. These systems facilitate communication between educators and students, provide a centralized location of resources, and allow the integration of various language learning tools. Okay, that is an explanation for me about definition, technology in education, and the examples. The next example and the next explanation will be explained by my partner, Isa.
Thank you, Mayang. And now we come to the advantages. The advantages of technology in language learning. The first one is increase students' learning motivation. Why? Because using technology in education can boost students' motivation by making learning more interesting and interactive. As an example, apps, videos, or online materials create a lively learning setting that suits different learning styles. Technology also lets students learn at their own pace, adjusting to their progress and interests. The new and exciting aspect of using technology can spark students' curiosity and encourage them to explore educational content in creative ways. The second one is provide opportunities for students to learn independently and access online learning resources. Well, since online learning resources are accessible for everyone, students can take that opportunity to learn for themselves. The third one is measuring and monitoring student progress is made more efficient with technology. Technology helps teachers keep track of how well students are doing by quickly creating assignments and tests. With instant feedback, teachers can adjust lessons to fit their needs. This way, using technology makes it easier to understand how students are doing and gives them the support they need to get better at their studies. And the fourth one and the last one, interact with native speakers and improve their language and intercultural comprehension through the use of technology. Through online communication tools, students can practice real-life speaking with the natives and listening abilities. Additionally, exposure to diverse cultural perspectives via digital platforms fosters intercultural competence, helping students develop a broader understanding of the world. This interactive and tech-driven approach makes language learning more dynamic, relevant, and effective. The next one is the potential drawbacks. The potential drawbacks of technology. The first one is over-dependence on digital tools. Over-reliance or over-dependence on technology can lead to less emphasis on traditional teaching methods, potentially hindering a comprehensive language learning experience. And the second one is unequal access to technology. Well, not all students have equal access to devices or reliable internet connections, creating gaps in the learning experience and limiting the reach of technology-based language teaching. The third one, the quality of online content. The internet is vast, and not all online language resources are of high quality. There is a risk that learners may encounter inaccurate information or poorly designed educational materials. The fourth one is many distractions during virtual class. Digital platforms can create distractions that don't exist in offline classes, affecting students' focus and engagement during language lessons, such as noises that you cannot control in your home or in anywhere where you hold the class. And the last one is lack of physical movement. Official classrooms often involve physical activities like group discussions or role playing. Over reliance on technology may limit these opportunities for physical movement and interactive or kinesthetic learning. The next one would be the question: are there specific technologies that stand out as particularly beneficial or challenging? There is one specific technology that stands out as both challenging and beneficial in language teaching is the AI translation tools, or it's called machine translation or MT. The challenging aspects of MT or machine translation is first loss of nuance. Machine translation may struggle with preserving the nuances, cultural context, and subtitles present in human language, leading to potential misinterpretations. And the second one is idiomatic expressions. Translating idiomatic expressions or culturally specific phrases can be challenging for a machine translation system, as they may not fully grasp the contextual meaning. And the third one is complex structures. Elaborating sentence structures or language intricacies can pose difficulties for machine translation, resulting in less accurate translations. And there are also the beneficial aspects for the machine translation. The first one, the efficiency in translation tasks. Machine translation tools enhance the speed and efficiency of translating large volumes of texts, making them valuable for quick comprehension and basic translation. The second one is assistant for language learners. Machine translation can aid language learners by providing quick translation, helping them understand foreign language texts, and offering insights into vocabulary and sentence structures. And the third one, or the last one for the beneficial aspect, is the global communication. In a multilingual classroom or online setting, machine translation can facilitate communication between students who speak different language, fostering collaboration and understanding. While machine translation has its challenges, it remains a beneficial tool when used accordingly, particularly for certain tasks and in conjunction with human expertise. Balancing its advantages and limitations is essential for effective language teaching and learning. And that's the end of my explanation about the benefit or the advantages and potential drawbacks and the answers of the question. I think that's all for our presentation today. Thank you for listening and paying attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.